Get some door handles in this now. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and install this this Kwikset brand door handle and deadbolt in that security door. So we're just gonna put one on here, and this will go on the other ones. So I think this is around 50 bucks or so at Lowe's, 40 or 50 bucks. That's what you get. Go put it on. Start with the door handle first. You're gonna see these in there, but you won't need them. Set these aside, save them for later. All right, this will get us started. Grab some screws. All right, for screws, these long ones are for the deadbolts. This is for the door handle. These are the ones we're gonna use now. Gonna need a Phillips screwdriver too. See how I got that in there? That's backwards. The door's gonna shut on that. We're going this way on our deadbolt up above. All right, you can kind of see 3 holes in there. Right, you got 1, 2, 3. That's what these 3 are for. So you're gonna come to the outside here. Put it in there. It's gonna take 2 hands. But you get the idea. Okay, the other important thing to note is that when you're doing this, when you push that in there, see those 3 holes that came through there? Push this in. Push this in with one hand and push that through with the other. Otherwise it'll get hung up. Now we just get this one, right? And we line that up on there. Okay, now what you do, right, just line that sucker right up on there. Push it on. Okay, and then put those 2 bolts right there, through there. First, work them in by hand. One of the nice things about this, you can see right down through there. You can't do this with regular doors, but you can see to get your thread engagement that way. Easier to find the hole. Just gotta thread them up. Uh-huh. All right, before I tighten that down all the way, I'm gonna put these in right here. Tighten these down all the way. I got a little bit of play in them, just naturally. But this is tight and these are tight, so that's what you want.